Today we will see how to find HCF of 18 and 24 using common division method or ladder method. Let us apply the below steps and solve the problem. Step 1. Start dividing 18 and 24 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides both integers 18 and 24 exactly, we get 9 and 12. Again, start dividing 9 and 12 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 does not divide both integers 9 and 12 exactly, we move to the next smallest prime 3. Since 3 divides both integers 9 and 12 exactly, we get 3 and 4. As per step 2, we should stop here since no other prime number can divide both 3 and 4 simultaneously. Got it? Step 3. Multiply all the common prime divisors. In this case, the common prime divisors are 2 and 3. Therefore, HCF of 18 and 24 equals product of the common prime divisors. In this case, it is 2 multiplied by 3 gives you 6. Got it? Thank you for watching. For more details on HCF, please subscribe to my channel and watch the below playlist. Thank you.